Greetings everyone, and welcome to another video on my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you guys, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the song Imiqhele by the Tshwane gospel choir. So we're in the key of A flat, and as always I'm going to be doing a beginners. As always, as recently, I'll be doing a beginners and an intermediate tutorial. So I'll put timestamps. So for those of you guys who are at the beginners section, I'll start off with that, and then straight afterwards for that specific part, I'll move over to the intermediate section. So what do we have here? For the first part especially, there isn't really much to separate it, because the melody line is the melody line. So if you're not going to play the chords, it's going to be hard for you to follow the melody line. But I guess if I want to make it easy for a beginner, instead of playing all three other notes, because it's like a pretty fast pattern of right? So what you can do instead is we can play two of the notes, so it's easier for you to play. But this is what you're playing. So you're going so we can do that, right? It will sound a bit weird, so what I'll do is I'll play all the notes, and if you feel that you can't play all the notes together, just leave out the bottom note. So you see there are three notes. If you can't do all three fast, just leave out the bottom one, right? So this is what we have. So we're starting off on right hand playing a 5 7 flat 3 two times. Then now we go to a 5 7 flat 2. So that's two times. Then now we're doing this one time. Right hand playing a 4 6 1. Now when you play this one chord here, left hand's gonna play a 1, right hand's gonna play a 3 5 1. So right, then we're gonna repeat this again. That's 5 7 flat 3 chord. We're gonna repeat it again two times. Then we're gonna repeat again this 5 7 flat 2 two times. But then this time we're gonna go to this chord here, which is a 5 7 flat 1 one time. Then we're gonna go to a 4 6 1. Then left hand's gonna play a 4. So all together that sounds like this. Right, then now we're gonna do this. Left hand's gonna stay on the 4, right hand's gonna be doing a 4 6 1. Right, you're gonna go from the 1 to a 2 back to the 1. Then we're gonna go to a 5. So left hand's gonna be playing a 5, right hand's gonna be playing a 2 5 7. So then we repeat the thing we're playing the first time, which is the 5 7 flat 3 two times, and then the 4 6 1 one time, resolve back to 1. So when we're playing that one chord at the ending, you can play that again. So to repeat everything, we're playing. Repeats. So that's how we play the first part, which goes Imiqhele sibeke phansi sithi bayede simaga. That was that part we were playing there. Now let's move on over to the intermediate section. So as I said, it's pretty much going to be the same thing. I guess the only difference is that you'll be playing more chords in your left hand, I guess. So what I do actually is that when I'm doing this, right? So instead of just playing nothing and then ending on bam 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 bam, what I do is this. Right hand is going to be the same as the beginner part, but okay, but I guess if you skip the beginner part, I'll just do it quickly for the intermediate section. So right hand's playing a 5, 7 flat, 3. So 2 times. Then right hand's playing a 5, 7 flat, 2. Then you're playing a 4, 6, 1. Then you're playing a 3, 5, 1. So ba 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 ba. Right? And when I'm playing that, on my right hand, left hand's going to be playing bum, boom, 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 boom. Because I guess I'm used to playing this song in it and then having the portamento in my left hand. So boom, 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 right? You know how it sounds. So when I play that, left hand's going to be playing a 5 octave. Right? And then when I play that 3, 5, 1 in the right hand, left hand's going to be playing a 1 octave. And now when I'm playing the when I'm playing here again, also sorry, 5, 7 flat, 3, 2 times. Then 5, 7 flat, 2, 2 times. Then 5, 7 flat, 1, 1 time. Then 1 time is a, sorry, what am I saying? 5, 7, yeah, 5, 7, yeah. Then a 4, 6, 1. Then left hand's going to be playing a 4, right? But now, the same way I play something in between the, we're going to play a 3 now. Left hand's on a 3, then a 4, right? So. Same as the beginner parts. Or actually, technically, you can do 4, 6, 5 octave. So it repeats. Alright, so that's a positive Imiqhele. So now for the chorus, which goes Baye Tenkosi Yesu Wena we to Imiqhele. So let's go back to the beginning section. So Baye Tenkosi Yesu. So I play here, right? By 1, left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 5, 1, 3. Left hand's playing a 2, right hand's playing a 4, 7, 7 flat, 2, 4. Left hand's playing a 3, right hand's playing a 1, 3, 5. Left hand's playing a 4, right hand's playing a 6, 1, 4. That's a papaya. Right, so passing chord, left hand's playing a 5 flat, right hand's playing a 3, 6, 1. Five, left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 2, 5, 7. Left hand's playing a 6, right hand's playing a 4, 5, 1. Left hand's playing a 7, right hand's playing a 5, 7, 2. Left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 5, 1, 3. Alright, so what do we have here? then literally it's that repeat again. That's literally how the part goes. So now for the more intermediate parts, we're literally playing that, except a little bit more advanced, I guess. Let me break down what I was playing there, right? So we know we're doing it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flat, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5 flat, 5 suspended. So, right, so left hand's doing a 1, 5, 1, or you can do a 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 1 left hand, right hand 7, 2, 3, 5. Gracing that 2 into 3. Left hand's doing a 2, 1, 2. Right hand's doing a 4, 7 flat, 1, 4. Left hand's doing a 3, 1, 3. Right hand's doing a 5, 1, 2, 5. Then left hand's doing a 4, 1, 3. Right hand's doing a 6. Right hand's doing a 6, 2, 3, 6, but I grace that 2 into a 3, then return it to a 1. So literally what he played there was a 1, 2, 3, 4 chord. 5 flat. Left hand's doing a 5 flat, 2, 5 flat. Right hand's doing a 6, 1, 3, 6. Left hand's doing a 5 flat octave. Right hand's doing a 7, 2, 5. So left hand's doing a 6 octave. Right hand's doing a 1, 4, 5, 1. Left hand's doing a 7, 5, 7. Right hand's doing a 2, 5, 2. Left hand's doing a 1 octave. Right hand's doing a 6 flat, 1, 4. But then resolving it to a 1 almost immediately after. Just trying to create some distortion there, but then we just literally gonna come back, bring it back to the 3, 5, 1, 3 or 5, 1, 3. Right. So what are we playing there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flat, 5, 6, 7 flat, 1. Alright, so that's literally how you play the entire song, but then for this part here, I'm just going to show you guys some bonus stuff. So I'll put a timestamp here for the bonus content. And the bonus content is usually for the intermediate players, because like for a beginner player, I want you to just get used to the bare bones, learn how to play that, and then start playing the intermediate section stuff. And this is for the bonus stuff for those guys who want to add a little bit more to what they're playing, right? So for those of you guys who are new to this channel, you might find what I'm playing to be new, but then for those of you guys who have been watching my videos, you'll see I'm just repeating stuff from older videos. But just the point of me repeating is to show you that you can play it in different songs. You just need to get used to playing these things and you can see how it works. So like for example, the chorus by 1, 2, 3, 4. When we go 5 flat, then 5, 6, or when we go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, then we do a 5 flat, meaning that the next note we're doing is 5. So okay, if you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next chord you're going to do after is 5, you can do a 5 flat in between that, right? And the way that I'm doing it kind of makes it seem like it's a but you can do that. right? This is more like a major, like almost like you're trying to walk up, whereas I don't know how to explain, but it's literally just a different way. So this and see, I'm literally going to a 5, but just a different way. So the first way, if we keep the left hand the same, just know you're playing 5 flat to 5 flat, we keep that the same. And right hand, the first time you're playing a 6, 1, 3, 6. And the second time you're playing a 6, 2, 5 flat, 6. But both times we're going to a 5, right? That's something to note. And then another thing which you can note is that what you can also just do this instead as your 5 flat substitution, which is like a 3-chord movement to get from the 4 to the 5. What I mean is, so you're playing. I wonder, yeah, I've been playing that a lot. I wonder if any of you guys have actually started using it in your playing, like when you're playing other songs, just whipping the, because this is literally just a 5 flat to go to the 5, right? We start left hand on a 6 flat, right hand's doing a 2, 5 flat, 7. Left hand's doing a 5, right hand's doing a 2 flat, 4, 7 flat. Left hand's doing the 5 flat. See, we're back at the 5 flat. The right hand's doing the 1, 3, 6. Now 5, 6, 7. Alright, so what am I doing over there, right? After I do that bam bam bam, or the when you're playing the 5, you can do it this way, where instead of just playing the 5, 6, 7, 1, left hand can play a 5 octave and right hand will do a 6, 7, 2, but you're gracing that 6 into that 7. Then after you've hit that 7, you're gonna roll a 7 down to a 7 flat, 6, 5. So I like to play this before that, which is a 5 flat 3. Sounds a bit weird, but it works. Right, so apologies. That's been this song. Obviously, in the key of A flat, and I hopefully you guys enjoyed it and learned a lot here. Till next time, guys, stay blessed.